gonna do a video right now of my lighter collection. I'm one of those annoying people who go into the store and go through the lighters and hold up the line because I'm looking for a Pisces one, but anyways, I can't find it. I used to have one, but then somebody I know peeled off the peeling, so yeah. I love the tattoos and the skulls. This is what close to what I want to get on my back. A phoenix. I used to have one that said enjoy the little things, but somebody nicked it. And I haven't been able to find another one since. And this is Dia de los Muertos. Very popular here in New Mexico. And then there's my non-Bic, but I just like it because it's pink and leopardy. Everything is pink and leopardy, or pink and animal print. I have my phone, my gym bag, everything. If I could find a pair of shoes that were pink and leopardy, I'd be so happy. Okay, but that's my lighter collection. Isn't that exciting?